Well, hi. I'm Jane Honda. This is a scenario us dog owners have encountered 1,000 times. You're home from work after a long, hard day at the mill. You're about to dig into your 1,000-piece puzzle. Then this happens.
You're home early?
Yeah.
Work okay?
Work is work. I don't know.
The agency called. You may have found somebody for us, a 9-year-old girl from Honduras. Are you even listening?
Yeah, hon, of course.
Can you take the dog for a walk?
I don't know. Is he gonna poop small again?
What?
Is it going to poop small?
What the hell are you talking about? Yes, of course she's gonna poop small. She's a dash hound. You need to understand.
No! You need to understand that when I walk through that park picking up tiny little shits, everyone's looking at me like I'm some sort of witty princess on parade with a homemade dress on and silly buttons twirling a baton. But it's not a baton. It's tiny turds in an old Safeway bag. Flailing in the wind. Gets knocked around by the wind so easily. I try to hold it with both hands. But that just looks silly.
Literally nobody is thinking that except you.
If only we had something. Something bigger. As big as any man would need so that no one would ever think that they couldn't get hard or were on parade.
I'm gonna start cheating on you.
Something like pre-pooped in dog poop bags. If you're like me, not only have you been made a cuckold, but you've tried everything to get your dog to poop bigger so people will respect you. Like leaving positive, encouraging hints. Chartreuse, come here. Come here, Chartreuse. You tried using a gun. People don't understand that you don't need a carry permit if it's not your gun. Go potty. Chartreuse. Giving it a more fiber-rich diet.
Okay, so not only should your dog not be eating buckets of fried meat, but that is not fiber.
So what is fiber exactly?
Grains and fruit and veg mostly, but regular dog food should provide all of the necessary nutrients. If you feed it a bucket of chicken wings, it will die.
Good to know. So are dogs like humans, and when they pass, they tend to defecate immensely?
Get the fuck out of my office.
I've tried everything to regain my confidence at the park. So far, pre-pooped in dog poop bags are all I need to go from someone who's labeled as an active shooter to someone whose dog is an active pooper. Thanks to my hands-on volunteer work at a kill shelter, I have access to any and all of your excrement needs from these huge breeds. Great Dane, Siberian Husky, Irish Wolfhound, my neighbor's dog Bruce, Tibetan Mastiff, and many, many more. You'll go from situations like this
Oh, look at the pretty princess looking for dog poo.
He probably can't even maintain a healthy erection.
That's not true.
You're as weak as your father was, and he passed on his brittle bones to you.
To situations like this.
Hey, wait! I want to get out of here.
With you?
With us.
But we here at Pre-Pooped In Dog Poop Bags understand that the modern consumer is unique and desperate to stand out amongst the hordes of faceless drones that inhabit this concrete hellscape. And what better way to show that off than with our line of varied bags? Classic brown paper. Reusable tote for the environmentally conscious. Off-brand cooler bag. That poop's practically frozen. Heading to the office later? Why not Ziploc it, Mr. Corporate? With my bags and their poop, and your newfound ability to maintain erections, you'll come home from a long, hard day at the old mill with maximum confidence in your manhood. Whatever chicks have. You'll go from 0 to hero.
They said fruit insects on parade.
Are you serious?
Oh, you're home. I didn't think you'd be.
What is this?
Cheyenne.
Pleasure to meet you, Cheyenne.
You too.
Where's Chartreuse?
It's at the park. She's full of chicken bones. Don't worry about it.
You fucking idiot. You can't leave the dog in the dog park.
Hey, you got 6 tickets already. For your fucking idiotic fucking move. This is what I have to deal with. What does it smell? Is that dog shit?
Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly, beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing, swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and I will wear that dress.